Do you know how much effort you can avoid if you decide to buy a water purifier for home? Yes, I know that, but tell me, how are you different in terms of water purifier? What's the difference with your water purifiers? Do you know that with this water purifier you can drink and cook with pure and always fresh water? Yes, I know that everyone tells me the same thing, but last day even a company offered me a free water purifier. So what's your difference? We can give you a water purifier that also provides you with the hot water. Isn't that great? Yes, I know, it's really a good product, but you know, the same product that you are showing to me, I can find it on the internet as well at a lower price. Look, we have technical support and quality that nobody has in this industry, because we have been in this market for 30 years. Yes, I know that everyone tells me the same thing, but your competitors yesterday made me an offer with the same product you are showing to me at the lowest price. So what's your difference? If you are a water purifier distributor or installer, have you ever found yourself in a similar situation in which you or your salespeople present a water purifier to a new customer and the customer cannot see the difference between one water purifier and another? And he compares your offer with some strange proposal he saw on the internet or with some strange proposal that some unknown company made to him. And with this situation, you or your salespeople are either forced to give up on the customer, losing a sale, or you find some compromise, such as a discount, to get the customer. But do you agree that in both cases you have lost something? Because in the first case, you lost a new customer. In the second case, you lost an important profit margin on that customer. All because you or your salespeople don't have the sales topics that are different from anybody else. And it's not your fault, it's the fault of the product you're selling. Well, the good news is that actually there are companies that distribute and install water purifiers that have eliminated such a situation forever. They managed to turn every single appointment, every single request into a sale, avoiding the frustration to give up customers or having to make strange compromises in order to bring the new customer. You may wonder what is the secret by which they are able to do that. Well, the answer is simple. They have new, compelling and interesting sales topics that they can say with their clients. They have a chance to say something new to the customer. They have a chance to talk about topics that instantly convince the customers in front of them. And that's why they easily and effortlessly manage to install one purifier after another. I know you're wondering where these new effective sales topics come from. The answer is simpler than you think, and it's called product. And I want to prove it to you. Look at this graph. Since we have had the display on the home water purifier, the requests for that model have increased by 54%. 54%. Just because the companies that distribute water purifiers and choose our model over the counter are able to use a new and attractive sales topics, such as the design, aesthetics, and 4.0 connection. You and your salespeople can spend new sales arguments that go beyond a display, such as the carbon patent for sparkling water, or such as the cool hybrid patent for the amount of cold water that can be dispensed continuously, or such as the typhoon patent for water purifiers hygiene. But I want you to stop for a second and think. What would it be like if you increase the sales for home water purifiers by 54%? Do you think you will see any difference in your business? Do you think you will be able to get the visibility you have always been looking for and that will automatically bring in new customers? If the answer is yes, and if you want to always have a new and compelling sales topics to use with your customers, well, you should know that I have put all the best sales topics and all the best Onnwater purifiers that the best distributors in the industry are currently using inside a unique brochure It's 140 pages where I explain in details all the benefits of each water purifier and all the sales topics that the best distributors and installers are using to sell without effort. You can get this brochure for free and with no obligation. All you have to do is go on our website, onnwater.com, click on the product section above the website, click on the product you are interested in, and click to the button Download the brochure. You see, many water purifier manufacturers ask for a lot of information before allowing you to download the brochure. And often, after downloading it, you are called by the salespeople who want to sell you something. Well, in this case, it won't happen. I don't want to sell you anything. The brochure that you will download is only to open a relationship between you and me. Because I already know that as soon as you read it, you will understand the potential and you will understand for yourself the level to which you and your salespeople can reach if you use a new and impactful sales topics related to innovative water purifiers. So all you have to do now is go on the website onnwater.com, click on the product section above the website, select the product where you are interested in, and click the button Download the brochure for free and with no obligation.